husay ng Pinoy designers. Pero higit silang napahanga sa kabaitan daw ng mga Pinoy. Ikinwento ni Ms. Cheryl Leon, malaki ang utang na loob niya sa ilang Pinoy na tumulong sa pagtustos ng kanyang biyahe sa Pilipinas. Nagpapatrol, Mario Dumawal.
Dala pa rin ng Miss Universe candidates ang kanilang tuwa sa pag-alis nila sa Cebu kanina. Maayos na ang lagay ni Miss British Virgin Islands matapos ang mahilo sa fashion show ng Cebu designers kagabi dahil umano sa pagod at gutom. Isinakay siya sa wheelchair palabas ng venue na okasyon. Sa kabila ng pagkahilo, natutuwa si Miss British Virgin Islands dahil may counterpart siya na batang beauty princess sa Cebu. Emosyonal naman ang mga delegates mula Great Britain, Norway, Canada at Germany dahil sa salubong ng mga Pinoy.
I've never seen anything like it. I don't think you've done anywhere else in the world. And I can't wait to see more of the Philippines.
Sobra-sobra naman ang utang na loob ni Miss Cheryl Leon sa mga Pinoy designers na voluntaryo siyang ginawa ng damit.
Jehan Lasala is my designer, and he's introduced me to a lot of people around here who has been really supportive as well, his designer friends.
So how many clothes is he making for you?
Close to 30.
30.
Kinumpirma niya rin ang ulat na nakarating siya dito dahil sa GoFundMe campaign. Siya ang unang maghahawak ng bandila ng Sierra Leone sa Miss Universe.
I needed money to come there. Yes. And then he was so kind enough to send a message to my tourism, like the tourism in my country. And then they had to contact me and then they had to link the two of us together. And now we have a very beautiful collaboration. I feel extremely blessed. And I want to thank him so much.
Kabilang din si Miss Great Britain sa mga candidates na ginawa ng gown ng mga Pinoy.
Leo, our model, is designing my gown. So he's very, very professional. He's very talented, and I can't wait to wear his creation on that stage. I absolutely love the hospitality. The people are so welcoming. I've got lots of friends here, and I can't even put into words just how much I love the Philippines.
Namanghari ng mga beauty sa mga natatanging gown na likha ng Pinoy designers at nirampa ng Pinoy beauties. Balang araw daw isusuot nila ang mga ito. Nanalo naman si Miss Venezuela bilang top choice ng mga sponsor sa tour ng candidates sa mall ng Cebu City. Mario Dumawal, ABS-CBN News, Lapu-Lapu City, Cebu.